Okay, mic check 1, 2, 3. Alright, we're gonna do reaction video check here and see how it sounds. Got the new OBS studio plugged in. Okay, first of all, no, not that. Let me shrink. You know what? Screw this ponytail. There we go. All right. Let's see how this goes. And I think with video capture, display capture. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's see how this goes. And we will go from there. All right. Sir Spooks, babe. Sir Spooks, baby.
Hello everyone, my name is Sir Spooks, and today we'll take a look at 7 scary videos.
7 scary videos.
Before we begin,
okay.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more scary content. Alright, with that said, let's begin.
Dang. Man.
The first video we'll be taking a look at today comes from the TikTok account VCD, who can be seen filming from inside his car before pulling up to a house. And it's
I don't even have the bass boost on.
Senses something is very wrong. Right away, the uploader gets understandably freaked out when he discovers that the stove has somehow been turned on.
Holy cats!
Afterward, he takes a moment to breathe and collect himself, but he doesn't get much time to do that, because then this happens.
Oh my gosh. Dang, man.
Why is that on? Why was that damn door?
Oh!
That door was not shut.
Out of nowhere, a door closes by itself, much to the uploader's shock.
Oh.
Clearly rattled, he frustratedly calls out, "Who are you? What do you want?" Probably not expecting an answer, but that's exactly what he gets.
Yep. Be careful what you wish for.
Who are you?
Just might get it.
What do you want?
Leave. Well, I think you know what it wants. Leave.
I'm out.
A strange, disembodied voice can be heard responding with a chilling word: leave. The video ends with the man doing exactly that, leaving the house as quickly as he can without looking back. This clip was only posted to TikTok a little over a month ago, so hopefully we'll get an update sometime soon.
You know, I've noticed that in hauntings, there are certain ghosts that will tolerate certain people, certain types of people, and other types of people they will not tolerate at all. So I don't know. I mean, this could be staged, but no, hey, maybe not. I don't know.
It's definitely bizarre and unsettling incident to say the least.
It is bizarre and unsettling, yes.
While skeptics might wonder if the stove or door could have mechanical issues, the clear, close-by voice telling him to leave is what pushes this encounter into much stranger territory.
Oh, yeah.
If it's real, it's the kind of experience you don't easily forget.
No, you don't.
On November 12, 2011, a YouTube channel by the name of Schwab304 posted a video that shows a young man named Will and documents the strange, creepy events happening inside his dorm room at West Virginia University.
Oh man.
In the video, Will explains that unexplainable things happen in his dorm room every single night at exactly 1 o'clock in the morning.
Oh man, if having a haunted house is bad enough, Imagine having a haunted dorm room. Oh man, that's even worse because you got no place else to go.
He describes hearing weird noises, but says he's never been able to figure out exactly what they are or where they're coming from. Will then sits quietly listening for any signs of activity while his friend films him. After a little while, Will stands up to walk around the dorm, saying that he heard something, and that's when this happens.
What is that?
That was a noise.
I'll look over here. I don't hear it anymore.
So he's got a roommate.
I think it stopped. Oh my god!
Whoa!
Out of nowhere, a whole bunch of Will's belongings are thrown across the room, almost like whatever spirit might be lingering there suddenly got angry and decided to trash the place. The video ends pretty abruptly after that, leaving us all to wonder what happened next to Will and his friend. Unfortunately, this is the only video ever posted to Will's channel, and considering how much time has passed, it's highly unlikely we'll ever get an official update on what became of Will,
Probably
or
not.
whether the haunting ever got worse. While some might argue that something off camera could have been responsible for tossing the objects,
And it could.
strings, someone hiding, etc.,
Yeah.
the timing and Will's genuine reaction feel convincing.
Yeah,
If
they
it was a
do.
setup, they pulled it off pretty well.
Yeah, they did.
Especially for a short, early 2010s video.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's
But what do you guys think? Was Will dealing with an angry spirit in his dorm room? Or could there be a more rational explanation for what we're seeing here? Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm really curious to hear what you think. Over on TikTok, a user named Danny C posted a series of videos to his account showing some seriously eerie activity happening inside his young child's bedroom, seemingly in the middle of the night. The footage, shot on a home security camera, shows Danny walking into his child's room. He sighs as he notices toys scattered across the floor and starts picking them up. But he doesn't get far, because then this happens.
Cardo! This just opened by itself
Ooh. Hello.
while I was in there.
Ooh, hello.
Close it, please. Nobody's in there, right?
A door inside the child's bedroom swings open on its own for no apparent reason, prompting Danny to immediately call for someone else living in the house to come help. The two men then search the room, but they don't find anything that could explain what just happened. In a second video, the other man is wandering around the child's bedroom. The two of them get into a light argument about something, but it's right in the middle of their conversation that something even stranger happens.
Don't yell like that. Look at me. First of all, don't raise your voice like that. Inappropriate. And see, now the ghost is very upset. Don't do that.
Okay, well.
Out of nowhere, one of the child's toys visibly moves by itself. Amazingly, both the man and the child seem to laugh it off and don't appear too shaken by it. Of course, some might suggest that doors and toys can sometimes move because of airflow, vibrations, or mechanical issues. But the timing and the fact that it happens twice in quick succession definitely raises some eyebrows.
Yeah,
If it's a
it
coincidence,
does.
it's a very eerie one. So what do you guys think is going on here? Is Danny's child's bedroom haunted by a playful spirit? Or is there a more down-to-earth explanation for what we're seeing? Either way, if the activity keeps up, Danny might want to start thinking about finding a new place to live. just to
Yeah.
be safe.
Yeah, I might want to do that. Might want to do that.
The next video we'll be taking a look at comes from the popular Paranormal Encounters subreddit and was posted by a user known as jturley85. The uploader provides some helpful context surrounding the footage, which was reportedly filmed in Beaver, Utah.
Beaver, Utah.
Here's what they wrote. Quote, "My wife's co-worker went out hunting this past weekend. They apparently took a pack of dogs out with them. While in the mountains, 2 of the dogs ran off. They chased after them and eventually found both dogs ripped apart after some searching. While
Oh!
trying to look for whatever caused it, they found this
Oh
and
my
recorded it through their scope.
gosh!
I tried to upscale the video for clarity, but this was the best I could get. Anyone know what this could be?" End quote. Let's take a look at the footage and see for ourselves.
What the hell?
Whatever that thing is, it's pure nightmare fuel. The figure caught in the scope is tall, lanky, and moves in a deeply unnatural way. In the comments, the uploader adds that the arms look extremely long and thin, with what appears to be hair or fur hanging off of them. They initially thought it might just be another hunter, but after watching the footage more closely, they are no longer so sure. A lot of commenters are throwing out one chilling theory, that this might be a skinwalker. Based on the creature's bizarre shape, eerily long limbs, and the disturbing circumstances that led to the encounter, it's honestly not hard to see why. Of course, we can't say for certain what was caught on camera here. Some skeptics have suggested it could be a person in unusual clothing, a case of video distortion, or even an intentional hoax.
Freak.
But if this is a hoax, it's a remarkably convincing one,
Yeah,
especially
it is.
with the panic backstory and the remote mountainous setting. So what do you think? Was this a real sighting of a skinwalker, or something even stranger?
I'm not too sure.
Or do you think there's a more rational explanation hiding just beneath the surface? Let me know your thoughts and theories in the comments, because whatever it was, it definitely wasn't normal.
No. It was either a skinwalker or an escaped lunatic. You see, this is why we need to bring the insane asylums back again. We got too many crazy people running around. Oh yeah, and I need to sometime do a. Sometime I need to do a reaction video of one of his Scary Places videos, because those are good. If anything, they're very nostalgia based, and they've got a lot of history to their background, and I don't know. I'll have to try that sometime. I'll try that sometime. React to one of his Scary Places videos. See how good it goes. Maybe do a live stream. Oh man. More nightmares, huh? Oh man. Oh man. Ooh. Only on Spooky Hour. Yeah. Subscribe to that, guys. Spooky Hour.
A person named Irakli Rodonaya posted a video to their YouTube account all the way back in December of 2009, showing what appears to be a casual moment of filming outside their car somewhere in Moscow. For the first minute or so, nothing really seems out of the ordinary. It just looks like someone filming random scenes around the city. It's slow, uneventful, and honestly a little boring at first. But that all changes pretty quickly, as I'm sure you could have guessed. Take a look.
Oh man, I bet going to see the palace is incredible. Oh yeah, this. tetrahedron or some sort of triangular objects floating in the air. Yeah, what the hell is that? Yeah, I think, oh yeah, aliens aren't real. Right. Sure they're not.
Hovering in the sky in the middle of the night is what appears to be a massive pyramid-shaped UFO.
Yeah.
The object just sits there, eerily silent and unmoving, creating a surreal, almost hypnotic image. Many people in the comments expressed frustration that Irakli didn't stop the car and get out to film the object more steadily. The video is quite shaky, which makes it difficult to fully make out the details, but
Yeah, well, do you think he was really going to stop up and film that if he was as scared as I think he was? Or he was disturbed as or if he felt as disturbed as I think he did? I don't think so. Yeah, Roz cruising over Russia in his gold ship. Or one of the gold is cruising over Russia in their spacecraft. They're bored.
it is still one of the more unique UFO shapes ever caught on camera.
Yes, it is.
Some viewers have speculated that this could be a digital hoax,
It
drone
could be.
formation, or even a government experiment. But others argue
It
that
could
the
be.
size, structure, and behavior of the object are simply too strange to explain away easily. Either way, it's a highly intriguing piece of footage that will definitely leave you scratching your head.
Yeah, true.
A Williamsburg resident named Abby Sobota
Ooh,
posted a video to
Williamsburg.
her TikTok account that shows her exploring an old, allegedly haunted basement.
I've been to Williamsburg, Virginia. That was interesting. We went, oh man, we went there. We went there in December. That was the last December we had with my mom before she died. Yeah, but my dad was still working. And he was getting some training from one of the corporations up there, and we were all able to go to Williamsburg. So yeah, that was interesting. We got to see Colonial Williamsburg and West Virginia, and oh yeah, it was really awesome. It was amazing.
And let's just say, it turns out to be a decision she may have regretted.
Of course.
We watch as Abby wanders through the dim, run-down basement, filming her surroundings. She notes that the area looks like it might have once been a prison, since many of the doors down there resemble jail cells,
yeah, I remember
complete
being
with heavy
here.
bars and narrow openings. As she's commenting on these cell-like doors,
I
and
remember
walking
being
deeper into
here.
the basement, something truly unsettling happens that shakes her to the core.
I remember being here during the tour of Colonial Williamsburg.
Prison cells down here?
Ooh,
Look at
man.
these. Tell me that's not absolutely horrifying. What the hell?
You stirred up something.
Did you see that shadow? Oh my god. Hello?
And there's nothing.
A strange sound suddenly echoes through the space, followed closely by the appearance of a mysterious shadow.
Oh yeah, there you
What's
go.
chilling is that Abby appears to be completely alone. There's
Yeah.
no one else visible in the basement.
She
with her.
is.
The video ends just seconds after the incident, leaving us with no idea what happened next. Thankfully, Abby wasn't harmed. She still actively posts on TikTok, but as far as this particular video goes, no update has ever been shared. Now, one possible explanation is that the shadow might have been cast by someone walking outside,
It could have
especially
been.
if there's a light source or small window nearby. It's not impossible, but if you rewatch the clip closely, the timing and angle of the shadow still feel a bit off. It doesn't quite behave the way you'd expect a natural shadow to. So what
Excuse
was
me.
it? A shadowy spirit tied to a dark past? A strange trick of light? Or maybe just the mind playing tricks in an eerie setting?
Maybe. It
If
could
that
be.
basement really was part of a former prison, then perhaps a lingering presence from the past was making itself known.
It could have been.
And
Yeah.
in a world like this, anything is possible.
Yeah. Could be. Could be. Could be. Like I said, I remember being on that tour. I think we went through that way. And through the prison yards and all. Yeah, I remember doing the tour of Colonial Williamsburg. That was really incredible. It was amazing. It was amazing. I don't know if I still have the pictures from that or not.
Reddit user Wrestling is Real posted a video to the Paranormal Encounters subreddit that's been gaining a lot of traction lately, and after watching it, it's easy to see why. According to the uploader, he was simply out for a walk in Scotland when he passed by an old abandoned building. He says he started hearing strange banging noises coming from around the property, and naturally, curiosity got the best of him, so he decided to investigate. Here's what he captured.
Oh! What the freak? Fulton Grant from Ghost Hunters. What the fedge? What is that?
It is a ghost.
Just a wind.
I think it is.
Maybe. Must be a ghost.
No, it's a wind.
No, it's a ghost.
Let's go.
There's nothing else there.
No, there's not. There's some banging in the distance.
Something definitely feels off. The way the board flaps open and close
Yeah.
has a jerky, almost unnatural movement to it.
Yeah.
And just as things seem to calm down, there's another noise. And then the
Yeah.
motion suddenly stops, as if whatever was causing it decided to go still. The uploader also notes that no one else was around when the video was filmed. And while some might point to the wind as the cause, he raises a good question. If it really was the wind, why did it stop the moment that second noise occurred?
Yeah.
While there's always the chance this was caused by airflow, pressure changes, or an unstable structure reacting to the environment, there's no denying that the timing, the movement, and the setting all combine to make this feel seriously creepy.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is one of the most bizarre and unsettling clips I've come across in a while, and I might just think twice about exploring abandoned buildings in Scotland anytime soon. What do you think? Just an old board and some wind, or something more?
Might be
Let me
something
know in the
more.
comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And that was 7 scary videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then subscribe for more scary
Oh
content.
man.
My name is Spooks, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Alright. Alright, mute that. Okay, I'm gonna see how we did recording wise. And if I like the setup, I'll keep it, and I might tweak it a little bit, but we'll see. I may have to tweak it a little bit anyway, so you guys, I know you guys as have said in the past that you've had trouble either hearing me or the conversation on the video. So hopefully this will fix it. All right. 3, 2, 1, and minimize. And we'll stop. 3, 2, 1, stop, stop, stop. Okay, guys, looks like that's going to do it. I played it back, and looks like the sound is in just the right level for both my voice and the reaction video. Looks like it's going to work all right. I'm going to post this video along with this follow-up video with it. If you would, please leave some comments. Yeah, and I really would. I would appreciate if you guys left some comments. And links to the original video will be in the description box below. And looks like that'll do it. Also, I will be doing some more reaction videos in a little bit. I've got some few other things to do. And when I have that done, I'll I'll need to install OBS on my new Alienware, but once I do that, I'll be doing some Let's Play videos on my new Alienware. and I'll be doing some Let's Play videos on my older gaming PCs too. Excuse me. Oh man. Welcome to springtime, guys. Allergy season. Also, if you guys don't see me tomorrow or Tuesday, I will be celebrating my birthday with my dad. My birthday will be Tuesday. And also, there are some tech heads out there who are looking for someone with drafting skills or instrumentation skills, or both. I'd be more than willing to show you what I'm capable of. It would be perfect. It would be perfect experience for me. Not only that, I could gain intern credit. It doesn't even have to be an internship. It could just be a full-time or part-time job, and I could earn my credit and graduate with my bachelor's, all the while still working for you guys. All right, guys. Like I said, that's going to be it. Looks like everything went well. I played it back, and looks like we're going to be all right. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Until then, you guys stay safe, stay awesome, you be careful, especially in a world like this. God bless you guys.